So now, since we have all the files ready, now let us proceed to the second part of this tutorial, which is creating the ebook itself by using the software or the ebook compiler. So this is the admin page of the ebook compiler. So the first step that you need to do is click on this icon, and from here you can see there's a code. This is a unique code which will be automatically assigned to each ebook. Then the title of your ebook, so for example, the name of the publisher, so you can write your own name or your company name, copyright, or you can write the name, author name, email address. This is optional, and the URL is also optional. Okay, just put one email address so you can see how it looks like later when we have compiled the ebook. So once you have everything ready, just click on the OK button. Now next, go to security, and on the security just click on this icon here, click once, and there are some options for you to choose, which if you want to allow the ebook readers to print, then you just tick or check on this box. And you can also allow users to copy the content in the ebook. So if you uncheck this box, they cannot right click on their mouse. That means they cannot right click and try to copy. This will at least it is useful for the kind of content that you want people not to copy, or those with copyrighted materials, with or your own patented images or your own patented work. And you can also optionally choose this password protection system, where you can add a password to any pages, or even from opening the ebook. So all these options is totally up to you whether you need it for your ebook project. So let's say I just allow users to copy. Next is the expiry. Click on this icon, and whether you want the ebook to expire or not is up to you again. If the ebook is meant to be viral and it is for unlimited viewing for an unlimited time, then you just choose the never option, which is the default option. But if you want after a specific number of days, then you can even choose the number of days you want the ebook to be allowed to open. So if you want it to expire in 15 days, let's change this to 15 days. Then you can even write message to show what you want the readers to see, the error message, after this ebook expire. So this is good for a type of marketing strategy where you will give them a trial. That means they will be able to open the ebook, read the content for like a few days, and then once they have reached the expiry date, then they have to purchase the full version of the product. So this is just an example, a marketing strategy. So for me, just want to put as never. You can also choose this after being open for a specific number of times. So you can choose specific number of days or specific number of times the ebook is open. So I just choose never. Next, the icon. Edit the icon. This is just the design. Okay, you can choose the ebook icon that you want for this ebook. So a lot of options over here, whether it's animals or money, computer, charts. So I just remain it as this default icon. So next will be the edit startup. Again, all these are optional. Let's say you want to write a specific message to allow readers to see once they open the ebook. For example, this is just a message. Okay, you can also optionally choose whether you want any delay, splash delay or not. and you can even choose the bitmap file. That means the image file that you want to appear, you want the ebook to show to the readers once they open the ebook. All these are optional, so I just click OK.